Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how we will convert any speech into text. So what we need to do, we need to create a bot. For this we need to click on my bot option, then create new, then bot. Here we have to give the name of our bot. So I am converting any speech into text, so I am giving speech to text. My bot name is this. Then create and edit. So my bot has been created with name speech to text. Here what we need to call, we need to call Python script, because I'm converting any speech into text by using the Python script. So here you will see so many options. Python close, execute function, execute script, then open. So what we need to do, first we need to call open option. Here it will ask you import your Python script, or you want to give the manual input. Actually I have already created a Python script. Here this is my Python script. This script will convert any speech into text. So guys, if I run this script, here you will see this script has been run. Whatever you say, then you will see your speech to text here. So here what I am doing, I am calling one function, that is speech to text, and I am giving the time here. So I am calling this function here and giving the 10 seconds here. So if I want to change the time, so I am saying something, so it will listen my voice and will convert this speech into text. Hello, this is my script, and this script will convert any speech into text. So guys, here you will see I've said hello, this is my script, and this script will convert any speech into text. So whatever you will say in 10 seconds, so it will convert this speech into text. If you want to say more things, so you can increase your time accordingly. So now what we need to do, we need to call this Python script into our Automation Anywhere 2019. So guys, here it will ask from where you want to import your existing file. So actually I have saved this script on my desktop. So I'll import my Python script file from the desktop. So I'm going to browse this and go to the desktop, and here my Python script is speech to text. So I have imported my scripting file speech to text. Then it will ask you manual, you want to give manual input and Python version as well as. So in if you want to give it manually, so what you need to do, you need to just open your Python script, then copy this script and paste this script here. And it will also ask you Python script, Python runtime version. Here you have to give 2 or 3. So I am using 3.7, so I have selected 3. Then save option. So I have opened my Python script. So what I need to do after that, so I'm just according to the, here I'm using prompt for value, time duration. Guys, actually in my Python script we are passing time here. So what we need to do, we need to pass this input, this function into our Automation 2019. So time, you can give any time at runtime. So for this, for passing this time on my Automation Anywhere, I am using the prompt function. And assigning value to variable. So I am just creating a variable. String type variable, time is string, type is string, create and select, then save. So this is a string type variable. Here you can see we can pass the value, assign the value only in string, but in our Python script we have to pass times in numbers. So what we need to do, we need to convert this string value into number. For this we'll use, here we'll see string, we have to convert our string variable into number. So what we need to do, we need to convert this string to number. Enter the string. So we are using time string, so, and then assigning the output variable to number. So we don't have any number variable, so what we need to do, we can create a number variable time, then default value is number, then create and select. So here you will see your string value convert into the number variable. So after that what we need to do, we can put a message box, please say something. Now what we need to do, we need to call our Python script. So for calling Python script, we use Python script execute function. Here it will ask enter the name of the function to be executed. So what we need to do, we need to give the name of our Python script function. So what function we are using? We are using speech to text. So what we will do, we will just copy this function name from here and paste it in this box. So here it will ask arguments to the function. So argument to the function, so like if you will see in Python script, what you are doing, you are passing your time variable here. So here you need to pass your input variable is time, and you can take output into any string variable. If you want to use existing string variable, time string or prompt assignment, so you can use here. If you want to create another string variable, so you can create your new string variable. So I am creating my new string variable, that is output text. So whatever I will say, so it will convert my speech into text, and my text will come in this variable output text string. To see this output variable, what I'll use message box function. Here I can pass output text. So it will convert my whenever this function will execute, it will convert any speech into text and will return the value in this variable, and you can see your text here in this message box. Then save. So guys, if suppose if any error is come, so what we need to do, we need to use try or catch option. Suppose it does not recognize your voice and you can't say something within 20 or 10 seconds, whatever time you are passing. Suppose you are passing 20 here, so in 20 seconds you say nothing, so it will give some error. So what you need to do, you need to just handle all the errors. So for handling all the errors, I am using try and catch. So in try, I am using this message box. If no error will come, so it will just execute the function and it will come into the try variable in try option and will give the message output text. Suppose if any error is come, so what I am using catch. So here, so I am creating a variable error message in string time. So whatever error will come, so it will come into this variable assign line. If any line is on which line error is coming. So I'm creating error line number, a number type variable. So here I'm using message box option to see if any error is occur. So error message, here what I will use, I'll just pass my exception variable here. So guys, if any error is occurred, it will come into the catch option. Here you will see error message and error line number. So here if I am giving error line number, so it will take only the string variable. So what we need to do, we need to convert string to number. So string to number, to print, enter the string is, sorry, number to string. Enter the number, that is my variable is error line number, error line number, and assigning the value is error message string. You can create another variable as error line message, then save. So now you can call in message box error line message. Here you can pass the variable that is error line message. So if any error is occurred at any line number, so it will come into this, and if any error message occurs, so it will come into this. So here I am handling all the exceptions in try and catch as well as. So guys, it will convert my whenever my Python script will run, so it will convert any speech into text. So suppose and it will give the value into output text variable. So suppose if I want to send this text into on email, so what I will use, I'll use my email, send email options. Here I can give my email ID as well as you can also give any subject here. Subject is like speech to text output string, and also you can here you can provide message box. So in message box you can give output and you can pass your variable. Your variable is output text string. So when your speech will convert into text, you will see this text into this variable. So I'm passing this variable, and if you want to give in HTML format, so what you can use HTML as well as. So guys, you can also use this. So here you can pass your output variable to text, then save. So before after this message box we have to say something, then this function will call, speech will convert into text. So now I have completed my code. So now I'm going to run this code. So guys, here it will asking you enter any value in seconds. So you have to give the time here. So I'm giving 10 seconds here, then okay. Now message boxes, please say something. Now whatever I'll say in 10 seconds, it will convert that speech into text. Hello friends.